Hello everyone, I think we all know why we're here. Package just came from at the front. I got it. It came and all that. So let's get to opening. A lot of my private information is on here, so I took some of it out, but there's some I missed. I got my letter opener, got to mention. See if I can so I can get this open. Oh yeah. Here's my first thing. My M1942 first aid pouch. And here is my mesh tin strap for my gas cage. And a tourniquet strap, since I lost one at Detail, Ohio. I'm gonna use it for my other Zelt bond. Since I lost one at Detail, Ohio, I'm gonna use it for my other Zelt bond, so it's not just one. And we got some shoe grease, some Herbert shoe grease. I need some more. And yeah, I'm running out. I really need to do some weathers. No, oh my god, I need to put some grease on, so I'm gonna do that someday. I don't know when. It'll be a longer video. Make a video of me putting the grease on. No idea. Maybe Sunday. Maybe. I'm gonna go put this with the rest of my stuff, and I'm gonna open up all of this and show you. Let me just take this out. I'm gonna go put this with all my other stuff I use to use one item. Let me go get my gas mask in. Gas mask. Let's close it up. Put the thing on. The hook. Gas mask. I'm gonna put it on the bottom. So let's open up the mesh tin strap. Very nice. It's dated 1940, just like all the other ones. Put it on. I'm gonna put it on from down here. So I do that. Third one. Boom. Now that's going to secure it pretty well. Looks awesome. That's great. Set that down there. I'm going to go get my other Zelt. I'm going to put this away so I don't hurt myself. I'm going to undo this and move it off to the side, all the way down here, and then tighten it up, and then put it through the hole, and then the keeper, and then I'm going to open up this one. Get that out. I'm gonna put it in this one. This side. Put through. Put it to its max size. Boom. I know it's not folded the greatest, but it's okay. It works right now. Alright, and this. I have mine, the one I have right now is very bad. Like if you go to my US stuff, like this is what I have. This is not correct. It's very bad. Open this, take out the phone that was in it. It does show some weathering though. I'm taking it off. Take it off. And you know what? Don't need that. I'm gonna fix this too. My shovel from my video where I was taking my hits in my American gear, my shovel for some reason really likes to come off the eye holes, the hook, and I have no idea why. Like I have it the way where it shouldn't be coming out, but it is coming out. I'm gonna fix that. Boom. Get the bill. It's all like tangled and stuff. Oh my god. Okay. Well, pretty sure I had it in between these. I'm gonna do that. Gotta open up this thing first. Try to find where they open it. I'm probably just gonna get some scissors. Or maybe I could just do that. Well, 1942 is much better. See if this fits. I have an original one, but with this piece on the other side, it likes to hit it and break it open. Mine was I'm pretty sure an unissued one, so definitely has some value. So right now I'm just gonna, I might actually make this smaller. I'm gonna go get my original one, put it in there, see how it looks, and see if I need to change it, because it looks pretty big. Definitely with my other one. It's my original one. Definitely makes it look much smaller. Makes it look good. And pull it out so I don't damage it more. I'm probably just gonna cut this in half. Probably just use this piece, stick it in there, maybe, or maybe I could just use this piece, stick that in there. Makes two, I guess. Just look a little bit small. Or if I just want to shove it all in there, which I just did. That's okay. It looks full, looks like there's something in it. Now let's go put it on the belt. I like to put it in this way, so it doesn't fall off like all my other items. That. Some. That. And then get this down. Boom. Just like that. I like how to do it. So I got the hooks out, so then it's gonna come off easily. I don't know why it's doing this, but it is, sadly. Looks good, honestly. I should put it on. Check myself out. A big beak, but that's okay. Typically because when I wear on my stuff, but yeah, I think it looks nice. Boom. Got your shovel. You got the canteen, my bayonet. And you got my my grenade. It looks good. I hope you like watching my short little video. There will be another one soon. I don't know when, but pretty soon. Again, I hope you enjoyed, and hope you found it interesting or nice, or you're super excited. I do have another package coming, which will be some German jackboots. So, pretty nice. I'll make a video on that, show them off, march around probably, and yada yada. I hope you enjoyed my little video. I hope you liked it and all that fancy jazz. I hope you guys have a good day, having a good time reenacting. So. Auf Wiedersehen, Kameraden. I hope you guys are having fun and doing okay in life. Again, Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye. And so on. See you until the next video.